In terms of numbers, right now, well, maybe not that important, but strategically, there's no doubt that it's the single most important strategic issue we have to deal with, from my point of view. First of all, we have invested heavily in systems, and then that's quite a new thing. And we have tested some of the easy areas, books and some large items and so on. But what the leap we actually, the real giant leap we took started quite recently. Was to make the real department, to make it a part of the organization and so on. So that would be the most defining moment, I think. Now we're doing it. I'm the connection between the top management and daily operations. So from my point of view, it's what I have been working a lot on is to of course you have to talk the same language as your CEO. So that's revenue, that's gross margin and speed and stuff like that. On the other hand, you have to, because you're running an online business, you have to be painfully aware of conversion rates, bounce rate, and so on. So what we're doing is we're trying to formulate a set of KPIs where we also discuss conversion rates with the CEO, and of course we also discuss gross margin and so on with the daily operations in the online departments. We are experimenting. We are building apps. We are, defining the strategy and so on. But the, the real integration, where you seamlessly, interact with us, there's a long way before we will be there. No doubt about it. So, but it's definitely strategically very important. We're looking at it, of course. There will be no multi-channel or cross-channel without digital technologies. That's as simple as that. So it's the facilitator of this whole retail revolution, period.